Hey guys, the festival of lights is here, and here are some things that you could do to make your Diwali more beautiful and brighter. So, my name is Swekcha, and I am your English educator on Unacademy 7th. I am also a British Council certified trainer. I am your English and IELTS trainer as well, and I am a voice and accent trainer. And you guys also know that I am a language enthusiast, which means I love to learn and teach new languages. So, that was a bit about me. Now, what is Bugs Bounty? Bugs Bounty is an opportunity for all you learners to report anything which is inappropriate in our video. Link हमेशा होती है डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में, तो आप जाकर के अगर कोई भी चीज़ आपको इनअप्रोप्रिएट लगे आप फटाफट से उसको रिपोर्ट करो और आपको मिलते हैं उसके बदले में एक्साइटिंग प्राइजेस. सो नाउ लेट्स बिगिन विद द थिंग्स दैट यू कुड डू ऑन दिवाली. गाइज, बी एक्सट्रीमली क्रिएटिव बिकॉज दिवाली इज अ टाइम फॉर यू ऑल टू शो योर क्रिएटिविटी. Now I would like to show you something which I did. Here is a lamp which I painted. Guys, this doesn't take much. ये एक पुराना सा lamp था, rusty old lamp. Okay, now what I did was I painted it with yellow color and now it is completely ready to be decorated on Diwali. So the thing is that even if you are not able to do too much, अगर आपके पास बहुत ज़्यादा भी कलाएँ नहीं है तो आप सिर्फ एक पेंट ब्रश उठा के एक 50 रुपये का पेंट खरीद करके भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें चेंज कर सकते हो. ओके, यू कुड जस्ट सिंपली पेंट सम थिंग्स which are old and rusty into new beautiful colors and give it a new look. And it does not require much to be creative. It just requires some bit of thinking, which I am very sure you guys are capable of. तो guys, जो भी चीज़ें आपको मिले जिसको लगता है कि आप transform कर सकते हैं into something beautiful, pick them up and do it. The next thing that you could do is be kind, guys. They are not there are many people in this world who are not as gifted as we are, जिनके पास हमारे जितना नहीं है ना. So this Diwali, try to be kind to everyone who does not have as much as you do. Try to be as much giving to other people as you can. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि घर में पड़े हुए मिठाई के डब्बे को किसी और को दे दिया, but the point is try to be giving. Okay, try to understand what your parents and what your family can let go of and give it to others, somebody who is in big need. Okay, अगर आपकी दिवाली की सफाई में कोई चीज़ ऐसी निकल आए जो कि अच्छी है लेकिन आपको नहीं चाहिए, तो try to give it to somebody who might need it, and that way you can be kind and giving towards the society. Also be helpful, guys. Now you will know this that आपका जो हाउस हेल्प है या आपकी जो हाउस हेल्प है वो बहुत सारे और घरों में काम करते हैं, है ना. सो व्हाट हैपेंस इज दैट डेफिनेटली ड्यूरिंग द टाइम ऑफ दिवाली उनके ऊपर बहुत प्रेशर पड़ता है गाइस काम का, है ना. तो व्हाट यू कैन डू इज प्लीज़ ऑफर हेल्प. दे विल फील वेरी गुड. उनको और कुछ नहीं चाहिए होता, लेकिन अगर प्यार से कोई बोल देना कि दीदी मैं आपका ये काम कर दूँ या फिर मैं आपके लिए ये कर दूँ, आप ये कर लो मैं ये कर लेती हूँ, राइट. डू समथिंग लाइक दैट. ओके, सो दैट वे you will also gain the blessings of those people who have been constantly trying to make you happy and your house look better. Try to help them. In fact, even your parents, okay, your mother invariably is tired on all the festivals, guys, know that. Okay, because उनको घर देखना होता है, उनको आपके कपड़े देखने हैं, उनको अपने कपड़े देखने हैं, उनको पूरे घर के सजावट का ध्यान देना है ना. So she must be so tired. Try to be helpful towards your parents, towards your family members, towards everybody that you possibly can extend a helping hand to, है ना. So if you are helpful this Diwali, everybody else can also be happy in whatever small little ways you can help. You definitely, I am sure we all can clean, है ना. तो वो करने से हम अपने घर में बहुत मदद कर देंगे, है ना. So try to extend your helping hand towards everyone who's trying to do something. बी थॉटफुल गाइज. अभी दिवाली के टाइम पे क्या होता है कि हम क्रैकर्स बर्स्ट करते हैं, ये कोई बहुत नई बात नहीं है, बट द पॉइंट इज़ दैट जितना बार ये बोला जाए उतना ही कम है, बिकॉज वी आर हर्टिंग द एनवायरनमेंट. हम जो एक दिन करते हैं उसका जो रिपल इफेक्ट होता है वो हम पूरे विंटर्स तक फील करते हैं, है ना गाइज. सो डू नॉट ओवर डू द क्रैकर्स. हम समझ में आती है मुझे ये बात कि जलाने में मज़ा आता है. जब मैं बच्ची थी मैं भी खूब जलाया करती थी. एट दैट टाइम वी डिड नॉट थिंक सो मच, right? But now times have changed. There is a serious environment crisis that we are in the middle of, है ना. तो try to do as less as possible. जितना कम हो सके. अगर नहीं जलाओगे तो बहुत अच्छे, I would love you all. But अगर जला भी रहे हो तो थोड़ा कम. Okay, देख समझ के कि who is getting hurt. Eventually it is us who has to breathe in that air, guys, है ना. So be thoughtful about what you are doing. Be unique, of course, dress beautifully. Okay guys, हमेशा try to mix and match. अगर आपके पास कोई पुराने क्लोथ्स हैं जो भी सुंदर हैं तो अपने नए वाले के साथ उसको मिक्स करके आप पहन सकते हो. Give it a twist. Okay, Try to be as creative and as unique in terms of dressing this Diwali. Of course, share your pictures, that will be awesome. So be unique, guys, and be beautiful. And take care, because if you do not take care of yourselves and others around you, Diwali can turn into a very, very dangerous festival, right? So guys, please take care of yourselves. Do not burst crackers in a dangerous way, क्योंकि हम जो एक चीज़ करते हैं, अगर एक चीज़ करते हैं किसी एक फेस्टिवल के अंदर, और अगर उससे अगर सैडनेस फैल जाए तो बहुत ही दुख की बात है ना. सो गाइज, डू नॉट डू एनीथिंग विच इज़ फूल हार्डी. डू नॉट डू थिंग्स विच कैन हर्ट यू और हर्ट अदर्स. ट्राई टू प्लीज एक्सरसाइज कॉशन इन वट एवर यू आर डूइंग. जो भी कर रहे हो आप, अगर आप फायर्स का कोई काम कर रहे हो तो ट्राई टू हैव योर एल्डर्स अराउंड यू सो दैट यू डू नॉट गेट हर्ट. Okay guys, please take care of yourselves and of people who are around you. With that, let's look at the features of Unacademy's Plus subscription. So you can learn live from the comfort of your home. Unlimited access आपको मिलता है हमारे सारे courses का. Top educators of India perform on one platform to teach you guys. There's regular doubt clearing session and exhaustive coverage of the entire syllabus. There's mentorship and guidance, study material in PDF formats, practice tests, live test series, and batch courses. And guys, you can see how the pricing changes the moment you apply my code SWS10. I'm writing that down for you over here. So SWS10 पे आपको मिलता है फ्लैट 10% डिस्काउंट. देखो यहाँ पे 774 है, but it changes to a flat 696 per month. And as I always say, the longer you stay, the lesser you pay. So 84 months के लिए अगर आप रहोगे तो आपको किसी भी प्राइस चेंज से अफेक्ट नहीं पड़ेगा in the coming years, and you will get it every month for 696 rupees, which is an awesome price for all the benefits that you are getting. Iconic में आपको मिलते हैं all the benefits of Unacademy Plus, but you also get personal mentor, you get live doubt solving, you get weekly report, you get parent connect, and you also get a study planner. So guys, for all this you have to pay only 1446 rupees if you use my code SWS10. और guys, आजकल 1446 rupees में ना आपको एक personal tutor भी नहीं मिलता है, but we are giving you a host of benefits for just 1446 per month if you go for 84 months. As I always say, and I can't repeat that enough, the longer you stay, the lesser you pay. जितनी लंबी commitment होगी उतना ही अच्छा होगा. So code है हमारा SWS10, and then you can use all of this and get your flat discount that you can get on this subscription. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. Wishing you all a very, very happy Diwali from all of us at Unacademy, from my side and from all the educators on Unacademy 7th. Wishing you all a very, very, very happy Diwali. Try to be safe, try to be happy, be helpful, be kind, be creative, and that is all that I wish for you this Diwali. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to hit the bell icon, because this is where you get all the updates from. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye.